This season, we're seeing a huge trend in natural-looking blondes, but what exactly is it that makes a blonde look natural, and how can you transform your clients from this into this? The magic is in the fine, delicate transitions between the dark and the light, and chunky face frames are out. Suitability is everything. Blondes can range from a level 6 right through to a level 10, so you can use Inspolab to quickly identify which depths and tones are perfect for your client's complexion. If your client has cool skin, then you could go for a combination of beige tones, or warm skin, you could try a mix of vanillas and honeys. It's up to you. My best tip is to use a collection of shades across a minimum of 3 depths, as this will give you soft tonal shifts and delicate blends. And when you want a natural looking color effect, then Illumina color is of course your best friend. Using a combination of highlights and lowlights, use your deeper shades underneath, which can mimic natural dimension. Then apply your lighter shades through the sides and the top. Natural blonde hair has beautiful bounce and shine, so nourish the hair with ultimate repair or ultimate smooth. To blend away any harsh contrast, melt a level 7 Shinefinity onto the root. The zero lift, zero damage formula won't expose any warmth. Then glaze the lens and ends with a level 9 and use a level 10 around the face. You'll still get that beautiful face frame effect, but it won't be so chunky and it'll be more of a beautiful shimmer. Four different depths for a flawless, natural looking blonde.